the unit turns on and off with the HVAC blower, clearing your home of airborne and surface contaminants. The Halo LED easily installs into your existing HVAC system. When the blower turns on, it activates the unit, producing ionized hydroperoxide molecules that are distributed into the entire airspace of your home, not just one room. Every time a hydroperoxide molecule comes into contact with contaminants, it quickly breaks down and destroys them, restoring the air to its clean, natural state. The system also uses positive and negative ions to charge the air, causing dust, dander, pollen, and other particulates to stick together, making your existing air filter equipment more efficient at capturing these particles. And with its revolutionary patent-pending replaceable low-energy, ultra-long-life LED array with an up to 5-year cell replacement, ultra-long-life UV LED technology, the Halo LED will purify the air you breathe for years to come.